Welcome back to our channel. Today, let's talk about something that's both inspiring and practical: dining room decorating ideas that will transform your space into a stylish and functional area. Whether you're entertaining guests or enjoying family meals, your dining room can be more than just a place to eat. It can be a reflection of your personal taste, a functional and beautiful space. First, let's talk about color schemes. The color palette you choose set the mood for the entire room. For a sophisticated look, consider classic neutrals like grays, whites, and beiges. These tones provide a versatile backdrop that can be easily accessorized with colorful art, vibrant tableware, and elegant textiles. If you're aiming for something a bit more dramatic, deep jewel tones like emerald green, navy blue, or rich burgundy can create a cozy and luxurious atmosphere. For a more contemporary feel, consider pairing these bold colors with metallic accents such as gold or silver to add a touch of glamour. First, let's talk about color schemes. The color palette you choose set the mood for the entire room. For a sophisticated look, consider classic neutrals like grays, whites, and beiges. These tones provide a versatile backdrop that can be easily accessorized with colorful art, vibrant tableware, and elegant textiles. If you're aiming for something a bit more dramatic, deep jewel tones like emerald green, navy blue, or rich burgundy can create a cozy and luxurious atmosphere. For a more contemporary feel, consider pairing these bold colors with metallic accents such as gold or silver to add a touch of glamour. Next, let's move on to furniture. A dining table is the centerpiece of this room, and choosing the right one is crucial. Opt for a table that complements the size of your space. For smaller rooms, a round table can help maximize seating and make the space feel more open. In larger rooms, a rectangular table provides ample seating and can be paired with a stunning chandelier overhead for added elegance. When selecting chairs, consider comfort and style. Upholstered chairs offer a touch of luxury and are perfect for long dinners, while wooden or metallic chairs can offer a sleek and modern look. Lighting plays a pivotal role in creating ambience. A statement chandelier or a pendant light can serve as a focal point and add sophistication. For a more casual feel, consider a set of pendant lights or a modern fixture. Incorporating dimmable lights can help you adjust the mood depending on the occasion. Bright and vibrant for gathering, or soft and warm for intimate dinners. Accessories are where you can really express your personality. Start with a stylish table runner or placemats that coordinate with your color scheme. Adding a centerpiece such as a vase of fresh flowers, a bowl of fruit, or a decorative sculpture can enhance the table's appearance. Don't forget to include some wall art that resonates with your style, whether it's a large painting, a gallery wall of framed prints, or a statement mirror that reflects light and opens up the space. Finally, consider incorporating storage solutions to keep the room organized and clutter-free. Buffet tables or sideboards are great for storing dishes, silverware, and linens. They also provide extra surface space for serving food or displaying decorative items. Remember, the key to a beautifully decorated dining room is balance. Harmonize colors, textures, and styles to create a cohesive look that reflects your personality and meets your functional needs. With these ideas, you'll be well on your way to creating a dining room that is not only visually stunning but also welcoming and practical. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more home decor inspiration. Share your dining room decorating ideas in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you're planning for your space. Until next time, happy decorating.